that's where the head is right now. And I like that height of the first cut. So I'm gonna bring the unit back. Sorry, yeah, I'm gonna bring the head back, make my life a little bit easier to change the container out. I don't have to lift it up so high. I got turn that off so you can hear me. I got two different containers. I got that from work. That came with the unit. I'm going to keep that as water because when I do a mobile milling job, I don't think a lot of people are too fond of diesel. Once they hear diesel, they attribute that to an oil tank leaking. Anyway, whatever. I'd rather just do it at my house for the first time. This is my first go at running diesel. So we'll see how it goes.
So I went in there real slow, and I slowed it down even more. Because I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if you can see this, but it dips down pretty bad here. So I was trying to get that out of there. And it looks like I did, I think. Kind of. Still dove pretty bad. There's a knot right there. That blade might be done. It's a Turbo 7. Might as well switch it out. I don't want to keep making wasted cuts here.
Alright, so I put a new blade on. And this is what we got. Perfectly smooth. Well, perfectly level. I sped it up down there at the end. These Turbo 7, you really got to keep the speed up. But that's not. Alright, I'm going to throw it on time lapse. I'll try to show the material as we go on. Enjoy. know those were a bunch of wasted cuts, but look at this. Pretty nice stuff. Gnarly logs like this are a real pain with the claw. The log rotator, I call it the claw, whatever. On the LT50 and 70, they have the chain, and that makes it a lot easier from what I can tell. Hopefully it's coming out on video. I don't really know what I was milling these for, but there was a gnarly log that definitely needed to be milled thicker. So I did that at 2 1/8. I think it's gonna dry terribly. It's definitely gonna move around because there were a bunch of limbs and all sorts of things going on with it. So that'll hopefully yield 1 3/4, maybe 2 inches if we're lucky. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, you see you got that end there. I was just trying to have some fun. It's walnut. It'll be worth something to somebody. But it's definitely interesting and beautiful. First run with the diesel drip. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I definitely smell it a little bit in the air. I am getting some pitch on the blade, but it's definitely cleaner than if I was running just water. So we'll see. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to time lapse taking the material off so you can see it all. Maybe take some still shots. That might actually be a better idea. Some still shots, and well, here they are. Thanks for watching. look who's decided to show up. Late as usual. Oh my God. Bentley, you're gonna get me all dirty now. Yeah, who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Huh? What? Yeah. 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 Only woman in my life that gives me this much attention. Little boo-boos. Hi. All right, come on, get out of here.